Hello and welcome to Voot Resources. Today we would like you showcase one of our showstopper machines, the VHD 250D. Designed with heavy-duty construction, the machine is built to withstand tough industrial conditions. It is ideal for industrial and commercial cleaning, including heavy-duty tasks like cleaning large vehicles, machinery, or factory floors. The VHD 250D delivers exceptional high-pressure cleaning, effortlessly removing dirt and grime from tough surfaces. With its powerful jet, it efficiently tackles even the most stubborn stains on walls and equipment. The built-in water filter ensures only clean water enters the system, maintaining consistent performance. This high-pressure washer guarantees a thorough clean every time, improving efficiency and reducing downtime. This is especially designed for the ease of access to get in and clean into the remote locations where you neither need to depend on electricity nor water. It has a built-in self-starter unit and can also be operated to run with a manual pullover start. Reliable, giving a 200 bar pressure for cleaning the toughest of terrains. And the 20-meter extended hose pipe helps to reach and clean locations that cannot be accessed easily. Given the major USP, having the capacity for 300 liters makes it reliable, giving a 200 bar pressure for cleaning the toughest of terrains. So, the next time you're looking to clean, remember, Voot makes the difference.